It was a beautiful day, lovely flowers coming out, nice bit of sun, morning glory flowers coming up and looking beautiful. The sunset was lovely, beautiful skies, lighting up the whole of heaven. And then I saw a message in a bottle, just laying there in the sand. So I opened it and it said, I love you. So I held it up high and I pegged it on my line so I could dry it out and keep it forever. The moon was looking lovely and the sun was looking bright. And I just stood for a while and I lit a candle. And I watched the candle and I watched the fire and I just looked into it for a little while.